Alright, what's up guys? Right now I am going to change the brakes on my car because it's been making a weird sound, and I'm guessing it's the brakes because by looking at the rotor, it has like grooves on it, so I'm guessing that my brake pads are like worn down too much. So right now I'm gonna jack up the car, take the wheel off, and when I do that I'll show you guys what exactly I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so right now what I'm going to do is right here is one bolt, looks like a 14. Here's the other one to take the caliper off. Once I take the caliper off, I'm gonna take my brake pads out and yeah, let's see how it looks. It's not looking too good anymore. So yeah. That shit. Can you guys see me good right there? Put y'all over here. See, when you take the caliper off, you make sure you hold it up here. Look at these pads. Jesus Christ, look at that. There's barely anything left on there. Holy Jesus. No wonder it was making noise like how it was, because man, Jesus, look at that. Can you guys look at that? It's about to be metal on metal. I don't think it came with the hardware. Can you record that? Okay, look. So yeah, now that they're in there, they have these little pin things. So what you're gonna do is put the pins in the little holes, I guess you do that with like that. Do the same thing with the top. After that, you get the Jesus, that's hard. Alright, I'm gonna go get a C-clamp. Alright guys, so see I have a C-clamp. You get one of the old brake pads and you put it like that, right? Then you get your C-clamp, open it up some.
Fernando, pon algo ahí que no caiga líquido de freno ahí. Tiene todo esto acabado todo aquí. Acabado todo.
You get the C-clamp and then you just clamp it in like that. Boom. Just like that, it's going in. Push it in all the way. Slowly but surely, because if you do it too fast, then all the brake fluid starts to come out. Then you loosen it. Push these little things in. Just like that.
Just like
Your
that.
brakes are done, you know. I'm gonna show y'all for comparison how the new brake pads are. See, look at that meat on there, you know. And then look at this, Jesus, look at the difference. Wow, that's just incredible, you know. I thought I had changed my front brakes, but apparently not. Just like that, we're done. Now, whenever you tighten your lug nuts, you want to make sure it's all what do you call it? You want to tighten like a cross pattern to make sure that your wheel sits perfectly on the hub, because if you don't do that, you know, it could be all sorts of messed up, you know. And that movement is since the brake pads are on, and I had to push the piston from the caliper all the way in. It's a little loose, but once you finish the brakes on the other side, what you're gonna do is before you get, or well, when you get in the car, you put you press the brakes like 4 or 5 times, and that's good. But yeah, when I get to the other side, I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so now we're on the other side. I got the wheel taken off. Now same thing. Now we come to our new hardware bag. Caliper. Undo the C clamp. Bring the old brake pad on there. Slowly start pushing the caliper piston in. Once it's in all the way. Just like that, 15-minute brake job. Nothing too serious, you know. New brakes. Your safety is now not in danger anymore. For the time being, you know, because something always comes up with having old cars. Then take your jack stands out. I don't remember how I got this anywhere. There you go. Take all of your trash out. Slowly lower your jack. Oh. Well, that could have been better. Doesn't matter. And now, like I said, come around in the car. Pump the brake pedal a couple times until it gets hard. That's how you know all your pistons are good now. So yeah, just like that, you do a no more than 15-minute brake job on your own car. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and you know, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, you know, show me some love, guys, you know. Well, see you guys.